At Promat, building a sustainable future is key to how we work. Because raw materials make up a large part of our environmental footprint for our Microporous portfolio, our factory in Sint-Niklaas in Belgium has introduced an advanced scrap sieving machine. This innovation reduces waste and strengthens circularity, a concrete step in our ClearChange sustainability agenda.
At the Sint-Niklaas factory, we produce advanced microporous materials that reduce energy demand and lower CO2 emissions in demanding applications. This goes from transportation, mainly aerospace, steel making to fuel cells. Their unique structure makes them thin, lightweight, and highly efficient, delivering reliable high performance where every gram and every degree of efficiency matters.
With this project, we are now able to recover around 140 tons of scrap each year. Instead of being disposed of, the material passed through advanced sieving, which separate it into clean and reusable streams. These are directly reintroduced in our production process, reducing waste and making a better use of our raw material.
The system is fully integrated with our silos and mixing platform, so recovered material flows seamlessly into the process. What was once waste is now valuable input, reducing disposal, improving efficiency, and strengthening resilience.
Implementing scrap sieving at Microterm also meant preparing the right conditions in our workplace, keeping it clean, efficient, and well organized. Quality and safety are extremely important in Microterm, and that's also depending on it. Engineering, maintenance, production, and our health and safety department work closely together, combining their expertise to deliver lasting improvements and this important sustainability project.
This achievement is more than just an efficiency gain. It shows that sustainability is part of everything that we do at Promat. It is a foundation of our growth, guided by our ClearChange agenda. With innovations like this scrap sieving machine, we show that responsibility and performance go hand in hand. Resilient, innovative, and ready for a more circular and sustainable future.